What's up, guys? Welcome back to the MSR workshop. So I am here using the new Monport laser marking spray. I've never used this stuff before, but I just started testing it out and I was amazed on what you can do with this stuff. You can actually mark on glass. It's super simple. So like if you've got dishes or something at home that you're taking somewhere, you want to put your name on them, just spray a little bit of this on there, laser over the top, wipe it off. It's as simple as that. Well, today I'm going to show you we're going to be marking on some metal. Now I'm going to be using this on aluminum. I'll show you what the process is for prep, how to use this, and how easy it is to do. So come on, let's do that right now. Okay guys, so the first part of this process is as simple as prepping your surface. You want to make sure you've got any oils or grease off so your spray sticks really good. So I am just using a little acetone, just wiping this surface off and just giving that a second to dry. Once that is dry, you go ahead and shake your can of your marking spray. Now the marking spray is not like spray paint that, you have to use a solvent to get it off. It's almost like a powdered dust that just sticks to the surface. So we'll go ahead and shake the can. As soon as this is dry, we will spray this on. Don't worry about a little bit of overspray because the stuff really does wipe off quite simply. And then we're going to go ahead and laser it. Just kind of get a nice even coat. You'll notice I didn't get up there because I'm just going to laser a part in the middle, but that was as simple as it is. Now, if you're worried about getting the white stuff on other areas, you can mask it off. Now, because it is like a dust, it just literally wipes right off. So you don't have to worry about it. It's almost like a powder coat. I'm wondering if it is a little powder coat. Now, you'll notice that it's shiny right now. After a few seconds, it turns to a dull sheen. That lets you know that it's dry and ready to go. So let's take this over to the laser and I'll show you what we're... So the next part is just setting our thing we're going to engrave in the laser. Now I'm going to engrave a picture of a samurai that I was doing on something else. So we're going to get that set up really quick. So the picture of the samurai, I'm going to go ahead and make sure my laser is focused over the top of the plate. So I'm going to move my laser head. We'll go ahead and focus that. And now line my picture up right over the center. All right, guys, let's take a look at it. So it doesn't look like much now, but let's go and take this to the sink and just rinse it off. Do this on anything, and actually on glass it leaves a clear etch, so you don't have to worry about black on it. But metals, it will leave a black engraving instead of clear. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you want to know more about the Monport laser marking spray, or to get your very own can for free, yes, for free, there is no purchase required, there's no shipping required, but you gotta like and subscribe. That's the only catch. If you like and subscribe to this video, drop a comment, I will send you a free code how to get your very own can of marking spray. If you guys have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or just like that video, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe for all the content that I drop. Until next time, guys, thanks again.